Is pet insurance for your cat worth it? I was a pet insurance hater for a long time because I didn't think it was actually worth the money. But I had a friend that had insurance for her cat, and her cat was hospitalized multiple times, including for a GI blockage. She swallowed a toy and needed major GI surgery, which cost a total of about $8,000. She was then also hospitalized multiple times for kidney issues, and her insurance picked up the majority of the cost and saved her thousands of dollars. And that kind of made me a believer. I currently have Embrace, and I currently have it for my dog and my oldest cat, Gray. Now, I have 8 cats, and so insuring all of them doesn't make a ton of financial sense for me right now, but I do think that if you can, you should get pet insurance. One of the most important things you should do when you sign up for pet insurance is do a medical record review, because what they're going to do is review your cat's records and decide if they're going to tack on any pre-existing conditions. And if they do, those are things that they're not going to pay for. So you're going to know in advance whether or not you want to keep the insurance and whether they're going to pay for, something that you end up at the ER for. This also gives you an opportunity to fight them with any pre-existing conditions they try to tack on. And this is exactly what happened with my cat, Gray. They tried to tack on some pre-existing conditions that didn't exist. Gray is healthy, and she was healthy at the time. My vet was kind enough to write a letter saying that Gray was healthy. I sent them a bunch of study data. They ended up leveling it up to someone that was higher up within the company, and they overturned the pre-existing conditions they attempted to tack on. One emergency room visit could cost you thousands of dollars. A GI blockage or a urinary blockage can cost $4, $5, $6 or more $1,000. And so this could be a really important way to save you from spending thousands and thousands of dollars. So I think in the end, having pet insurance is a good idea. Now, I only know about Embrace and about Trupanion, but I know there's a lot of other policies out there. So if you have a policy you like, share it in the comments so we can help each other save money.